Welcome back to my channel, and today we will be installing Anaconda distribution in Windows or Mac, and then we will be seeing how we can use Jupyter Notebook from Anaconda distribution. So what you need to do is just visit your favorite choice of your browser and then just type Anaconda download. And then you will see this first link which says individual edition Anaconda. You just need to click on this, and then you will land over this page, which is the official website of Anaconda and anaconda.com. And then it says your data science toolkit, because Anaconda distribution is preferably popular for data science. And then you just need to scroll down at the bottom and you will see these options for Windows, for Mac OS, and for Linux. As currently I'm on the Windows, so I'll be using this 64-bit graphical installer. And the setup is really heavy of 477 MB. So I've already installed it beforehand to save some time. And for you to download, you can just check your system configuration. If it's 64-bit, then you need to click on this option. Otherwise, if it is 32-bit, then you need to click on this option. So here's the setup that I've downloaded already. I need to click on it. So after you click on it, you will get the dialog box, and here it is. So you just need to click on run, and then it will take some time, and just click on next, and then you have to agree on terms and conditions. And then I will be using just me. It's your choice if you are going to click all users, and then next, and that's the destination folder. Next, and you just don't need to click on this option. So just click on install. So the installation progress will start, and this will take some time. So after the installation is done, then you have to click on the next button, and then you will see it says that working with Python, Jupyter Notebook is breeze with Pycharm. So basically, Anaconda provides different IDEs. Basically, Pycharm provides Pycharm, RStudio, the Jupyter Notebooks, and many more IDEs. And then click on the next, and that's how we can finish the setup of Anaconda distribution. So just click on finish. So how do we run it actually? So automatically it takes you to Anaconda website, but in order to execute, so you just need to go in the start bar and type Anaconda, and then you will see this Anaconda navigator, and click on this, and then the Anaconda navigator will open up. This is what it looks like, Anaconda navigator, and here you can see there are a lot of different options you can choose from. So but we'll be using the Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab. It's either of your choice. So in order to launch any of this, you just click on launch button, and then it will take some time, and then it will get executed. So this is Jupyter Notebook, and in order to upload a file, you can just use the upload function. And in order to create a new file, create a new notebook in Jupyter, you just click on this new button, and for Python 3. So now you have a new Jupyter Notebook, and then you can write codes in Python and using Jupyter Notebooks. So let's say I have to write a simple print statement. So I will write print hello world, and then it prints out hello world. And if you want to change the name of your notebook, you just need to click on this untitled, and you can rename as per your preferences. And that's how we can download Anaconda distribution, and that's how we can use Jupyter Notebook. So I hope this would be the end of this video. So thank you so much, and have a good day. See you soon.